The Sink Undermount Kit from Native Trails allows easy installation and long-lasting support for undermounted sinks of all shapes and sizes. It is recommended that this product is installed by a licensed professional. In this video, we'll be demonstrating the bottom undermount method using a large NativeStone kitchen sink. For instruction on the rim undermount method for copper sinks, please refer to our rim undermount video. Before you begin, be sure you have the required tools handy. Along with the items provided in the kit, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver or drill, a 7/16 inch nut driver or ratchet, a level, a pencil, and a measuring tape. To start, determine the best way to support your sink, either side to side or front to back. The width or depth of your cabinets and the location of any plumbing or other appliances are important factors to take into account. First, you will install the hanger plates. Measure the height of your sink. Then mark this measurement on the inside of the cabinet. Use a level to make a horizontal line on this measurement. This will be your guide for the hanger plates. Using the supplied screws, mount the hanger plates with the top of the plates flush with the guide line. Arrange your hanger plates according to the position of your countertop cutout, and be sure to allow space for your drain. Repeat these steps on the opposite side. Next, you'll assemble the channels. To do this, slide the inner channel inside the outer channel, and then extend them to the length of your cabinet. Place a 1/4 inch bolt at each end at the farthest point possible where the bolt goes through the top channel and into a threaded hole in the lower channel. If necessary, you can place the bolt through a non-threaded hole on the outer channel and use the supplied 1/4 inch nut to tighten the bolt. For wider cabinets, it's helpful to leave the bolt loose enough to make adjustments to the channel length. Then tighten them once the channel is placed onto the hanger plate. Now insert the leveling bolts. Thread the leveling bolts up through the holes in a pattern that will support the sink evenly. If possible, try to keep the bolts no more than 4 inches apart. Raise the bolts to approximately 1.5 inches. Position the channels on the hangers in the location that will best support your sink. Place a leveling bolt cap on the top of each bolt. Then use your level to make sure the bolts are all at the same height. Insert your sink and install your countertop. Lower your sink onto the raised leveling bolts and install your countertop as desired. Finally, adjust the leveling bolts. After applying a line of silicone around the top of your sink, use a nut driver or ratchet to raise the sink into position. Starting with opposing corners, raise each bolt until the sink rests flat against the bottom of the counter. Adjust all the bolts until the sink is set firmly and evenly against the countertop, making sure the sink is level to allow for proper drainage. Your sink is now installed. Installation will be permanent and secure and provide the proper support for your beautiful Native Trails sink.